Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to change Canva website URL. So guys, what you have to do, open your website template for example, and what you have to do, for example guys, click on this share option, and after that click the see all three dots right here, and after that click website, and from website guys click this icon, as you can see this pencil, and from here guys you can change the website here URL, as you can see here you can change, and you can add for example just one. You can just click publish from here, and you can change your URL easily without any problem. So guys, and you can also you can purchase domain here from advanced setting, and you can link a preview is disabled this option, and just click published, and you can also add description of the website. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon guys. Keep watching. Any question down below and comment here, and I will answer your question.